What is up guys, it's Auto Intern here, and as you can see from the title of the video, I sold my Type R. It was a great 1 year of ownership with it. I bought it brand new from the dealer and enjoyed every single mile I drove. During that time, I had zero reliability issues. The Type R looks were aggressive and was super fun on the curvy roads. The manual was one of the best, with a very metallic and mechanical feel. I put some T37s on it, which made the R pop and better looking than with the sunken in 20-inch OEM wheels. But I found myself during that time almost every week looking up car websites, mostly looking at the same brand of cars and specific models. Hint, it was not Honda. In the end, I gave in and decided to sell the R and buy a BMW. It should be of no surprise for those that follow my channel, given the multiple videos I have uploaded about the F10 M5. Also, I have not said it here before, but I used to own an E92 335i for a couple of years that I heavily modded. Now, without further ado, here is my 2018 M3 CS.